Yo, what's going on, folks, man? Welcome back to the set where, hey, today, bro, we got some more sneakers in. It's been a while. Kind of put myself on a sneaker restriction, so to speak. But this time, bro, we got, oh, you see my little voodoo doll here, so you already know what it is, man. Let's put this right there, because they should have put one in the back where your wallet be at, because your pockets be hurting after you spend all this money on. All right, whatever. All right, bro, we here for the Zion Jordan 1 Low OG Voodoos alternate, or version 2, or whatever you want to call it, bro. Take a look at the box. Pretty decent. I'm messing with the colors, man. I really was trying hard. We got these in a size 12 to get the version last year. And bro, I totally whipped on that. I was not expecting them to be as popular as they was last year, but irregardless, we got these. The colorway reads as such: Regency purple, Viper green, and yeah, that's about all we got. Yeah, and this shoe has way more colors than that, so you already know it, man. We done already unboxed these joints. We're just gonna get down to the nitty gritty right off top, though. So we got we got 4 different laces with these shoes, man. We got these gray ones right here, and these are more like the wax laces almost. We got these right here. That's one. Let's see what else we got here. We got the black flat laces, and these are kind of like wax laces too, almost. We got this green, which I don't think glows in the dark, but irregardless, they're in here. And then we have the ones that actually come pre-laced in the sneakers. I like these because they're more like a type throwaway type vibe. Again, I didn't get the ones last year, and I didn't really look at them a lot after I didn't hit, because I didn't want to have that FOMO, if you know what I mean. So let's get into it, man. These joints are nasty, bro. I'm glad that I took a sneaker break, man, and actually came in and got the dub on these right off the rip. Sneakers out, that's what's up. So I went ahead and did a lace swap in these, man. I put the green in there to see if I can make some of these colors pop, but it didn't really do what I needed it to do. So this is the color of lace of choice. Man, getting tongue tied this morning, bro. I really like the vibe of these shoes, bro. You got this whole burlap type material here. You got the inverted wings logo on the back. You got the inverted Nike Air on the tongue there, and you got the different color shoes, bro. You know how we do, man. It makes you feel good when you can be different, right? But I like everything about this shoe, man. You got suede, you got burlap, you got some, yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on with these shoes, man. You got the voodoo doll on the back. Let's see if we can get my camera to focus in there. Look at that, bro. We got the voodoo doll right there in the back. I'm digging these 100%. Yes, they came right after Halloween, but it's fine. This is one of those shoes where you can pull these off with pretty much any season or any outfit, man. You can find something to put together with these. And if you got a little style, you definitely can put something together with these. But I like everything about this shoe, man. I'm happy that I hit. It's a Jordan 1 Low, bruh. You know how I feel about Jordan 1 Lows if you've been watching anything here on the channel. Speaking of channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, bruh. Please hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when we drop more content here on the set. I know I've been slacking. I've been slacking on my pimping. We had a lot of stuff going on in real life, so the videos have been kind of lacking, but we about to get back on it, man. I promise you guys more reviews, because I had more time. Now I have more time. So yeah, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, man. Comment down below what you think about the Jordan 1 Low Voodoo alternatives, man, in the Zion Williamson whole thing they got going on here, bro. My camera is just angry at me. It just does not want to focus. I know what you're doing, camera. You want me to buy another one. I ain't gonna do it. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about these, man. I really like these. It's a simple review, man, for a shoe that has a lot going on, bro. The level of detail on these shoes always amaze me, man, because it seems like they're handcrafted, which I know most sneakers are handcrafted, but you really can't tell. But the stitching on these makes it seem like these have been well handcrafted by a sneaker builder, so to speak. And again, we ain't gonna talk about how they actually make them, but you get what I'm saying, man. I really like these, bruh. If you got a chance to get these, man, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you had any quality control issues, because for the most part, man, it's kind of hard to tell on shoes like these if you're gonna have a quality control issue, but I didn't notice anything out of the ordinary with these. I would go so much to say as these are a perfect pair in my eyes, and I have been looking at these for quite a few days since I got them in. So again, drop me a comment down below what you think about these, man. Did you hit? Did you not hit? Did you try and you just came up short? Let me know down in the comment section, man. I'm gonna get on out of here and go enjoy the rest of my day. Enjoy this B-roll. See you folks in the next one. Peace.